Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. At the beginning of this year, that is 2021, I was selected for a graduate conference at Johns Hopkins University. The conference was called Dust and Distraction. If it were not for the COVID pandemic, I would have never been able to afford my tickets to and from USA. So I guess the lesson which we can learn from this instance is that everything, no matter how bad it looks, always has one positive aspect to it on which we may focus on our bad days. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to talk about the importance of conference presentations. Let us begin with the various types of conferences, seminars, webinars, workshops. There are many types of these, and what are its implications, right? Number one is a graduate conference where you can apply if you are in your final year of undergrad or above. And these conferences are usually all international in nature. After the advent of the COVID pandemic, almost all types of conferences have become a hybrid or an exclusively online type of an event. Therefore, if you are getting a chance for a graduate conference, that is great. These are often theme specific or subject specific. You can look them up in the CFP website, the Call for Papers website, which I had mentioned in my publication video, the link to which will be up here. Therefore, that is the first type. The second is an international conference or a seminar where you get to participate with people from all over the world. The next is a national webinar or a seminar. The name is pretty self-explanatory. And there are other types as well, like a students seminar, which is exclusively for students at the undergraduate and at the postgraduate level. And there are also workshops available. At the present moment, the University of Oxford is accepting proposals for an ongoing workshop, the link to which will be down in the description. Participating in these kinds of workshops, conferences, and seminars is good for you, and the reasons for which will be detailed in the upcoming sections. But what are the implications of these different types of conferences and seminars? Especially in the upcoming days, the University Grants Commission or the UGC is going to take into account your seminar presentations, especially if it's an international or national importance, and account that into your academic point index or whatever is going to replace it in the upcoming days. There is a high chance of that happening. So if you are getting an opportunity to present in an international conference or a national conference, by all means, please do so. Coming to the second point, which is why are conferences important? The first reason is that of networking. When it comes to networking, you have to understand that conferences present you with a unique opportunity. In the year 2019, I went to the University of Calcutta twice in the months of February and March, and I connected with some awesome people, many of whom are still in my contacts in this present day and age. And they have helped me in many ways, shapes, or forms. I have learned from them, and I hope that they learned a thing or two from me as well. It gives you an opportunity to present yourself in the academic forum, to make a presence felt for yourself, an opportunity to learn from others, and an opportunity to speak your heart out on a topic which you love to speak on. All of these together bring you into a position where conference presentations take your academic career forward. Even if you're not interested in academia, I would suggest that you do one conference or maybe a couple of them, because the experience is completely satisfying, especially back in the day when things used to be offline. I don't know when it's going to be that again, if it's at all going to happen. But even in the online mode, you get to learn a lot. You get to present from the comfort of your home. You don't have to travel outside. All of these are advantages, and for all these reasons, you should definitely participate in conferences when you get an opportunity to do so. For those of you who have watched my PhD video, which in case you haven't, I will put the link up here. Don't forget to check that one out. In that video, I had already mentioned that if you are pursuing an MPhil or a PhD, you will be required to make at least 1 for MPhil and 2 for PhD presentations on or around the topic on which you are making your dissertation claims. But even if you're not doing that, what is the future of conferences, or why should we do it? This is different from the impact or importance, because in the upcoming system, recently UGC has released a notification saying that they will replace the academic point system with an upgraded version, though they have not really clarified as to what that is. But just imagine you are going to a new place, though virtually, maybe even physically in the upcoming days. You are meeting new people, and most importantly, you are voicing your opinions. Many conference papers later go on to get published as conference proceedings. Many great pieces like Structure, Sign and Play, Lacan's seminars, Foucault's works, Deleuze, many people have presented the crux of their arguments in seminars and conferences, as I'm sure many of you already know that. And it also gives you an opportunity to interact with others, to take others' opinions into the account of your paper and build it subsequently for the days to come, which is a unique opportunity which you will not get anywhere else. Because even if you submit a paper for publication, you won't know who is giving you an opinion, and you won't get an opportunity to connect with them or talk to them privately after your review process is over, right? Because you don't know whom to contact, because it's a blind peer review process. Therefore, and conferences present a unique opportunity which makes sure that conferences will remain relevant in the days to come. In my last video about publications, the link to which will be up here somewhere, I already told you about how many journals ask for your abstracts before your papers. Similarly, when you participate in a conference, there is an opportunity to make a publication out of that, because you will learn a lot. The learning curve in a conference is a very smooth one. It's an always upward going graph, and you will learn a lot. Conference presentations might not have any direct impact in your CV or your API at the moment, but it constitutes a big part of your CV. I have already talked about in my CV video about which types of conferences you can list in your CV. If you have not checked that out, you can find the link up here somewhere. But all of this taken together brings our attention to the fact that when conferences occur, if you have an opportunity to present, you should always do so. And if you are an undergraduate student, you should try and present like twice a year. If you are a master's degree student, thrice, 4 times a year. If you are a PhD student, definitely 4 times a year you should try. And there is no limit to the number of conferences you can present at. You can go on and on. It will only give you more opportunities to learn in the days to come. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, queries, doubts or comments, please don't forget to leave them down in the comments. I will be happy to engage with you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, hasta la vista.